Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have really cool camping set to share with you, because everything you see here, the table, 2 chairs, and all the camping set, camping gears, cooking gears, coffee grinder, coffee maker, teapots, pans, everything you see on the table actually fits in a Frunk trunk camping set. So they have this really unique and compact slots that packs everything in to your Frunk trunk, so you don't really need to use your cargo space at all. So in today's video, I'll share with you what comes in the set and then try to fit it in the Frunk trunk, and then I'll show the closer look and the quality of the set in this video. Now let's go. Alright, let's see what comes in the package of this camping gear Frunk set. So everything fits perfectly in the front trunk of Tesla Model Y. And the first layer is actually a table, and it's a little heavy table because it's made of metal, so it's really sturdy and weatherproof, and it has this coating so you won't get any rust. You know, let's say you leave it out in the rain, and it has 40 legs in the back, and you just unfold and you can just use the table. I will lay everything out and unfold everything out of the package later in the video. And the second layer are 2 camping chairs with the folded legs here and here. It's really compact, and they actually make this perfectly shaped form to pack everything in place. And the third and the last layer contains a lot of camping gear, mostly cooking and making coffee. So first thing here is a coffee maker. I'll show you later. And we have 2 containers, so you can put, you know, you grind coffee and also your coffee beans or chips or snacks, and 2 coffee mugs. These are really sturdy, really good quality. Actually, I was surprised how good quality they are. There you go. As you can see, it looks pretty cool too. As I mentioned before, I will take everything out and then lay it out on the table for you. And these are pots and pans, so the cookware, and this is the stove and also utensil. This one is a coffee bean grinder, and this one I believe is, let me open it. I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, it's a teapot, as you can see, with little teacups inside too. Alright, now we saw everything that's in the package. Let's go and try to fit it in the front trunk of my Tesla Model Y. Now let's try to fit it in the front trunk. So you just can put the whole thing in here, and it should perfectly fit in the front trunk. As you can see, it looks really good, and it fits perfect. Now let me try to close it. There you go, it closes just fine, and you can see, and it won't move anywhere because the way they fit it, even with the table on the top, underneath of the front trunk would press it down, so nothing will move at all. As you can see, that's why they made this a little higher, so when this one closes, it presses down on the table itself, so table pretty much protecting everything underneath. Now let's go find a proper location to lay these out. Now we are at the right location, beautiful lake here in Colorado. Now let's take everything out and set it up, and we'll see what included in the set. Let's set up the table first. Real easy for the table. You just unfold the legs and then take it out, and you will have, make sure it's nice and sturdy. You unfold the side right here, open it up, and there you go, the table's done. And the chairs, so there are 2 chairs here that have legs on both sides. I have to figure out how to install these. So first, take out the leg first, and the legs unfold, just like so. Should be really simple. Same thing here on this side. There you go. And the second one, pretty much the same thing, unfolded. It has this really handy Velcro type, so you can store it back in place easily. And then open up the chair like so. Now it should be the front. This is the front right one, right here. So you just put the standing legs on the chair like so. And the top parts are for hooking on the rest, the backrest, and the seat itself. So that, and then this connecting points right here. So you connect the two together. On both sides. Now just put the backrest, one on each side. Hook in there. There you go. That's much better. So now you have your chair. Pretty cool. It's really compact. Okay, so basically the hook just to help pull and put the pole in place like so. That's it. Now I've got two camping chairs fully installed and super compact, and it's quite comfortable to sit on. Now let's take everything out on the table. Alright, now this is the last layer where all the goodies are, all the cooking gears, and then coffee makers, which is really awesome. Let me take everything out on the table so we can see what comes in the set. Have a little cup here, little container here. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Got two of them, but they're glass. But these slots are really tight and compact. I don't think you'll break it even putting the glass container in here. So you can press in and then let the air in, and it suction really well. And you got a coffee maker, pots and pans, and then we have a stove here. So the stove, you will definitely need a small propane canister to connect to the stove. We have two mugs. Okay, coffee grinder, utensil, and the teacup set. Really cool and pretty unique teacup set. Let me lay it out. So now let's see what came inside the set. You'll be surprised how many stuff that you can put in here. Really organized too. Here they are. Really cool. So the table, two really compact, really comfortable. I was surprised. Chairs, and quite sturdy too. And everything on the table. Let's start from the cookware first. So you have a stove with the water boiler for your tea and coffee, and the stove has the there you go, so you can connect to the propane canister right there. It has the ignition for the stove to start the fire, and of course the water boiler. And these are really lightweight, really good quality. I was surprised. And also a big pot. That's a really good size pot, with the cover too, with the lid and the handle so you don't burn yourself. Also a pan, really nice pan, lightweight and good quality pan. Even a cleaning cloth. Two containers to put your snacks or your coffees here. Utensils, so you have fork and spoon, and then another chopsticks. So you have two pairs of chopsticks, and really organized, compact organizer for your utensils. And you have a tea set, so you have a tea mug, and where you mix it, put the tea in here, and it has that filter. Also another big cup for the tea, and small little cups with a coaster. Really cool coaster. Look, that is so cool, so pretty. And these are really lightweight. They're not ceramic. I think they're aluminum. Really good quality though. With a tea cloth, a little tiny tablecloth, and you have 2 coffee mugs and a coffee grinder. So you can grind a fresh coffee beans for your morning camping, and also a coffee maker. So you put a water in there, and then let me remove this part, and then this is where you put your coffee. You can basically make an espresso with this coffee maker. Really cool. Everything is really good and high quality at the table too, as I mentioned before. This is really nice camping set, and again, all of these came from all the slots for your front trunk. So everything you see here fits in your front trunk, which is really incredible. Now we can enjoy your your camping trip. Probably can feed a few people in your family, and by the lake or camping site like this. Well, I was surprised about the quality of each of the products that they included in the set. Also the chairs, super compact, way more compact than your regular folding camping chairs. These are super compact. It fits in that first layer, and everything you see on the table actually fits in the second layer. Incredible. So now I can enjoy a few camping days with the Tesla Model Y, and everything actually fits in the front trunk, so I don't have to bother the space in the back or in the cargo space at all. That's crazy how compact, and how they fits everything in that tiny space in the front trunk. And as I mentioned before, the quality of each of these that included in the package are really incredible quality that came, everything that came in the package. And they're really lightweight, so it's not super heavy when you try to carry everything for your camping, or just picnic day, make some coffee, some tea, or cook up some lunch. This is really awesome set. I was surprised first when I saw a picture. I didn't realize how that many things was included in the package. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this awesome front trunk camping gear set. Really nice seat, table, and everything else on this table came in the package. I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below, and special discount code for you too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and make sure to click like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth.